Infinitely. Mm, okay, okay. So, it's up. That's all I can say. It's up. I can close this because it's obvious that it's streaming, not YouTube. And now, I open up Roblox to be able to play. Please, please, please don't disgrace me again. Please. Yeah, go live on Discord or whatever. I should just try Discord one day. And today, blah 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 blah. Turn on my controller. There we go. Right flag. It feels if when I play with myself. Honest, honest. Now I hope I'm audible. I'm going to check the YouTube video to make sure I'm audible. Please don't be lagging. Please don't be lagging. It's still lagging. Still lagging. Lagging like severely. No, not as bad as before. I guess my laptop just can't handle streaming. I guess I'm disappointed. I am disappointed. God, I'm just going to try something else instead of streaming games because it just means the past 2 days of streaming, this is what has been live, what has been going on. Wow. Yeah, you can be quiet. Let me see if I can screenshot. Okay, one, one, there we go. Mm, mm. This isn't positive at all for streaming. Did it, did it. So, let me, um, okay, let me just do it. Project that I've been working on, Raycast. This is the only reasonable thing I can do right now. I've not shared. So, I'm sure it's a little, not really a little bad. Not bad, not be a grand thing, but it'd be nice if you can see something on the screen. A character, a person. Yes, 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 yes. I'm just going to be making sure it's actually at 60 FPS. Yeah, yeah. Now it's at 60 FPS. I can see what is going on. Maybe not real time, but still, I can see what's going on. Then move my cursor to make sure. two, one. There, yeah, there we go. Working. I just can't play games. Live stream, I guess. Yes. So this is meant to be like a V2-based software. I mean, you can still see JavaScript here, so it's not really a software, but yeah, I'll just tell you what it is. So it's more of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, 3JS for those people that know what I'm talking about. This is basically just a website that runs on a laptop, and it, there's not like a package that converts it to an app, so it runs similar to an app on your desktop or laptop. Such. Now, what is interesting here is you have the freedom of uploading your character, have the ability to change colors and all that. I don't have a textured model, so I can't be sure how this would look with textured model. But let me see, let me get my guy. Come on, ray.glb. Ah, that's it. Important. Here we go. Ray is in the scene. Now, I would like you all to know that I'm still working on the software as well now, which is why we saw this upgrade right here. Yeah. So I've not reached this level of coding, to be honest. This is why I'm using AI in the first place. Now there are still lots of bugs. For example, this one that let me just show you. One, two, and now it's back here. Doesn't stay here. And then there's the glow bug. Yeah, glow bug. So I guess I haven't noticed what the glow bug is because this is meant to be behind the camera. I can't believe it's still lagging, but it's not as bad at least. That is meant to be behind the camera, but it's now like it looks like it's in front of the camera. This is thanks to backface calling and all this kind of stuff. Yes, this guy is I need to rotate him around so I could just do I've selected him R and there you have it. And I could do Z in this world is this other is this way. This is Z. So it will be Y instead. Really finicky. Come on, seriously, alright. In Blender, you can just click here and type in the value, but it doesn't work that way in this one, at least not yet. Getting that done before my token is now expired. Yeah, you can minimize the tab clicking N. On this side, you can click T. Okay, Ctrl T, Alt T. Come on, I know it minimized before. Yeah, the slide pop again. And there's now cam view. So this is what you'll be seeing in your browser. Mm, Um, okay, I have this guy. Okay, okay. Oh, I thought it was like a bug that was just popped up on the screen. Output preview. And yeah, another bug too. It meant to like show the actual character here this way. Anyways, other stuff that I really want to get. And shoot, I missed. move the camera at the same time. Camera is meant to be locked in place like this. I had over. Okay, so there are other things that I want to add or fix. For example, textures. I want to make this hand red, body red, other hand red, and head. But to do that, I have to click it manually, make all of them red, which is not good. I still want to add like a copy and paste feature for maybe colors, textures, all that, so that's just straightforward. Oh no, that's the glasses. Metallic and roughness also work, and emission too. Emission works along with the bloom effect, but that can be toggled. Once you toggle it on, you can't toggle it off again. So that's just something you would like to know for now. Of what else? The hand, that should be it. Missing thread. Glass is here, so supposed to be glowing. Hmm, more you have this one. I don't think so. Hmm. Do I make both of them black? As you can see, the app is clearly still in development phase. So lots of things are still required for it to work. Now, what is interesting is this is a V2B software, and clearly V2B software captures motion and all that. Watch this. Let me turn on, because I'm black. Let me turn on the light source that I'll be using. So, also detect bones. There you have it. So I'm moving my head, moving my body, and kind of walking. Now, to you, you might think, oh no, this is great, but you still have to like fix the head and all that. So you just go to tracking, scroll down, and then calibrate pose. So now your natural pose is now what it's going to be using. Just like that. Well, still needs a lot of tweaking because I'm looking down now, but it's still like looking straight at us. But it's working, just working. Be happy with it. These buttons, I don't think these guys do anything. Yeah, 2022 roll, it doesn't. Connecting to mobile device is a little tricky, slightly different from just local host. But, I'm not sure if it's working. I'm not sure if it is. Maybe my phone still needs to give it permission to access the camera. But the idea is that if you have like a bad webcam, or you don't have a webcam on your laptop in the first place, you just use your phone instead. It'll be a little better because if it's a better camera, you get better precision in face tracking and all that. What animation clip, animation what requested. It doesn't work. I haven't tested this one before actually. And there's transparency, solid. It's just like outside. Yeah, so you can change the world. I think it's lagging right now. Yeah, lagging severely. You can change the world colors, black, gray, blenders gray. chroma key if you want to like use OBS and then just remove the background and put the guy like somewhere at the corner. I'm still working on it, but it'll be done very soon. I don't know why the colors don't appear here. Colors, actual tracking, and the main camera position. I don't know why it doesn't show up here. Output, it doesn't work. Oh, okay, kind of. Anyways, measurements. I don't think no measurements doesn't work. Yeah, it's stuck there. Then adding light source, directional light kind of works. I can't delete it. I just realized adding directional light, uh, point light, spotlight. I believe directional and point light are basically just the same thing. At least for now. Spotlight just directs it in one place. I think that's directional. Then ambient light is basically like this world lighting, but slightly different. Slightly different. Yeah. You can add images, videos, 3D models, and now that you can look around, it's easier to do that. For one, I could just select it as to Y, just like that. Have the no, the no, the X, Y, Z. Okay, my Z key is not working. I just remember I clicked it before, but nothing happened. Z, there we go. Back and forth. And the best part is you could also still add emission. Hmm, and I no, I can't do this. Doesn't work exactly as I expected. You can hide objects, all that is cool. Anyways, this is all that I have for now. So the only problem is that I can't really use Copilot. Copilot is like trashy. Most of most of the major updates inside this app has been done through Cursor. It is a very, very handy AI agent. I don't even know what model it uses, but to be honest, it is very good. 23 FPS. Yeah, and actual valuable information to me. Valuable. You can just click it from here. It shows actual information. Try this one is on playing here. If I was to select my character, it change 8,000 vertices, 14,000 triangles, blah 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 blah. It works. And I feel I'm just going to end this video here. Live stream. Cool. Choppy. Cool. Let's press escape to go back. Uh, okay. Load model. Yeah, I don't think load scene doesn't work. Since yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work as expected because now to load scene it should load your model plus everything you've included, so the lights basically just a save point you can set. So presets, a few minor things like this, it's stretching. because this is not nice to look at. Not. What else? This extra cam mode, I don't know what it's for. A huge chance I'll try to design UI from by myself, but this is a little not too good. Not too good, boys. All right. And this guy, I don't know, it's not supposed to be rotating this way. Y is meant to stay up no matter what. Meaning, if I were to move to Y, it shouldn't like be this way, go in this direction. So just a few little things to edit here. Wait, it changed. Okay, so that means I'll have to be reloading. No, it doesn't. It shouldn't work that way. It don't work that way. You have to be reloading the actual app every single time. Yeah, it don't go that way. So assign bones, set bones, load report, setting. It all basically all works, and most of this was just thanks to Cursor. So I'm grateful for AI. To be honest, AI being here. Let me close it and the stream here. Disappointed as always, but at least I got to still show the progress on my app building, not by myself. Let me see. Can I? Okay, I can't. Yes, this is here, right? Yes, it is. Brilliant. All right.